Hi, welcome to my myviettv channel. Today I am drawing rainbow balloon and parting rainbow balloon. Draw finished. Now I am going to parting rainbow balloon. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Light blue color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. Thank for watching. Please see next my video and come again. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel to see new video.